Yeah, well, as Mika just introduced, I'm from Australia, from Melbourne, and I decided rather than subject you all to 6 minutes and 40 seconds of my humble student work, I would instead talk about my experiences between Finland and Australia over the last 3 or 4 years, and try and draw some parallels between them. So when people first meet me, they're full of questions. What are you doing here? Why are you in Finland? You're from Australia, and you came back? Okay. And I think a lot of it has to do with my strange accent and perhaps even my appearance. And I usually have a short answer and a long answer. But the long answer is more interesting because the parts you leave out are more interesting. Now, that fashionable man on the left is my dad, and that is my mother. And they met. And they had me. And my father was attacked by a helicopter pilot, so we traveled all around the world, so I didn't really just grow up in Australia. And yeah, then all these things, I suppose, happened by accident. And by accident, I ended up in Canberra, where I did my bachelor's in architecture. Now, this is the campus. It's very natural Australian bush environment. We have kangaroos hopping around. And I come from a school where they really focused on the natural environment, and I came from that to this. So it was a very extreme and drastic change for me. And I have to say that when I first came here, I struggled to understand why I was trying to learn about the northern way of building, when clearly this is my context. So this is Melbourne, where I attempted to do 1 semester of my master's. And this is Story Hall, RMIT, and it's a very urban setting. So these are the architecture universities I'm familiar with, and this is me in Australia. This is my environment. This is where I come from. So when I was coming back, I really had to prepare myself for the extreme cold and culture one more time. And yeah, this is Australia on Christmas Day. Everyone is at the beach. And yeah, everyone is equal. All the Australian cities are generally along the coastline. And yeah, everyone goes to the beach, and this is Nallipari. And actually at the same time of the year in Finland, this is what Nallipari is like. So it's very drastic kind of change, and very different kind of people. And actually, just before I came to Finland, they were voting, they had the elections in Australia, and this is a bit what the elections in Finland perhaps look like. It was a very heated time, and political tensions were high. And this is actually voting time in Australia. This is a guy at Bondi Beach. He's thinking, who do I vote for? Because voting in Australia is compulsory. You're charged thousands of dollars in fines if you don't vote. So it drags a lot of maybe disinterested people. Now, when it comes to my architecture education, I have to mention Glenn Murcutt. Maybe you're familiar with his work, but I imagine some of you are. But he's the school of thinking that I was brought up with in my universities. And when I came to Finland, I expected to learn more about Alva Aalto and to see all these Aalto buildings. That was really as deep as my knowledge went of Finnish architecture. But I came here and I was browsing through the library racks, and accidentally again, I discovered Juhani Palasa. And this was quite important for me. His book, Eyes of the Skin, kind of reinforced what I'd learned earlier with Murcutt. And it's interesting that Glenn Murcutt is perhaps the only non-Finnish architect that's won the Alvar Aalto Medal. And hello. Accidentally, riding around Oulu, a Suntomessa area, I stumbled across this. And I think, this looks rather familiar. This is interesting. It's not dissimilar to something you might find in Australia by Sean Godsoe, for instance. And that's when I really started to see how, even from radically different environments, ideas about light and place and spaces and environments can still transfer. And this is Sean Godsoe's Kew House in a very idyllic Australian bush setting. And then the next slide is what I think would be comparable to. Yeah. So, this is where this has been my journey thus far in my education here. And I knew that there were unfinished business here and that there was more to learn here. And so I had to come back to reinforce the things I had learned earlier.
Thank you, Tonja. Siinä tosiaan näkyy tuttuja rakennuksia, very familiar buildings here. Architect Juha-Paavo Mikkonen, who will present a little bit later, not now, please. But